Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today is 16th of September and yesterday market was range bound and I had a huge loss of 2500. The whole day Nifty traveled in this range and I said on my yesterday's video that I wanted to reach out to other traders to make a support group for myself. That I did. I reached out to a couple of traders, uh, professional traders, and asked for help. Let's see if they agree or not. So, sorry. Today Nifty opened here. Yeah. So this was the first candle. This is the first candle today, and then it crossed the high of today. I entered in a PE trade during the first candle and immediately exited. I took a loss of 40-50 rupees. I immediately exited. Then this candle formed, and after this candle closed, I entered here. So this is my first entry, 115, and this was my stop loss. So as soon as Nifty reached here, I exited, taking a bit of loss. Then I missed this candle here. This I missed. This was my second entry. I entered exactly at this candle here, and I captured little bit of profit. I was supposed, I waited, I exited at here because this was my stop loss, SL2. I exited here, so I booked a little bit of profit, and here I entered in another C position, and this was my stop loss here. So I exited here, taking a little bit of profit. So this was my fourth entry in this candle. As you can see, this is my fourth entry, and I exited here. I didn't wait it, but I was hesitant. And if I could have waited, I could have got a lot of profit. And here is the fifth time I entered and exited on the same candle. Here I entered and here I exited. So 200-300 rupees profit I made each time, every time. But the thing is, this was my setup, my entry and my stop loss. But Nifty didn't went below my stop loss. If I could have held my trade, if I could have waited for a bit longer, I could have gotten a lot bigger profit. But since today was expiry, so I exited. And which candle? This candle. Here, Nifty was consolidating here in this candle. So for 3.5 minutes there was no profit, little bit loss, little bit profit, and suddenly it went up. And as soon as it started going up, I checked my P&L. It was showing me 300 profit, 500, 700, 900, 950. By that time this candle opened gap up. So by the time it opened gap up, it was 980 something profit. I thought of exiting, but then I thought it would go up even more, which it did later. But here it didn't went up more, it came down. So I exited. I waited till here, then I exited here, taking a profit of 300 rupees. So from 900, I saw 900 rupees profit, but I waited and exited at 300 rupees profit. If I shouldn't have exited this trade, I waited for 10 minutes, I could have gotten this and this and this. So the overall thing is, my yesterday's loss was in my head. Yesterday I made a big loss of 2500, so it was inside my head, and somehow I was very scared, as well as today was expiry. So I took all these trades. I tried to took little bit of profit, and here I exited, and I thought maybe the PCR value was too high, so it would consolidate, and it did consolidate it. Then again it gave a breakout here, and I waited for some time, and then I entered at here 195 in this candle. This was my entry price here, but I forgot to check the PCR. Then Nifty was, it became range bound here, then it came down here. I waited. The reason when I took this trade, I was thinking that I looked at the time, and I made a cool decision of taking a CE trade for the next expiry, and that is the reason I could wait for this long. And this is the point where I exited. I exited at this candle. So this is my entry 6 here. This is my exit 6. And even if I could have waited a little bit more, I could have gotten more profit. It touched 250. So I exited here. So no, I left some money on the table, but anyways, the thing is, today I made a profit of 1200 rupees. Yesterday I made a loss of 2500 rupees. And the thing is, in my brain is still doing calculation. My brain is still calculating, okay, I need more 1300 rupees. So 1300 rupees I will have to take. It will take me, I'll take it 2 days, 4 days to recover, and I am getting stuck with my previous trades, and I need to figure this out. Why my brain works like this? I don't know if you guys feel like this, but I keep on repeating my same mistakes, and I don't know, I have read it, it's called herd mentality, but how do I separate myself from the trade is a big question mark for me. I need to figure that out. How do I do it? But for now, I had to maintain discipline. So the reason that I am looking for a support group is because I think that it will help me in my trading, and I need proper written plan to execute. There should be a proper discipline, because whenever I listen to my brain, I make mistake. And I need to figure some way, some possible way or something where I can teach myself of not repeating the same mistake. And these are the two main problems that I am facing now: repeating my same mistakes and getting myself attached. I know that one loss or one win doesn't matter, because I have to trade 50 or 100 trades, and then only I can figure out, but still a losing trade creates a cut mark in my brain from which I can't recover. So, trade setup, uh, being in the right direction, watching the PCR value, setup. These are all not that important to me right now, because right now I want to get my mind straight. I want to fix my brain desperately. And one more thing, I wanted to carry this trade, but because this was a breakout and it came down here and then again it went up, but I exited because tomorrow is a new day, so I will not try to attach myself with any trade. And let's see what happens. I need to really work hard on myself. My capital was 5,500 today, and now it's 6,600 or 6,700, something like that. So money is not the factor. As I told yesterday also, I lost 2,500, but I know that this loss is not a big thing. Market will give me money, but I have to stay disciplined. I have to be focused. So let's see how things work out, if I am able to get my psychology in the right track or not. But I'll keep trying, and I'll try to not get too much attached with any particular trade, be it a winner, be it a loser, uh, either ways. And I've noticed that winners don't create any big problem for me, only the losers do. So I'm still not satisfied today with my trade, because my target was one good trade which I missed, and maybe yesterday's target is 354. So because there is a gap here, this can also act as a resistance, which I don't think it will. It can act as a resistance, but in case it goes up, 340, 350 is the next resistance. So that's it. A lot of gaps are needed to be filled. Hopefully tomorrow they'll get filled. That's it. So see you guys tomorrow, if I trade tomorrow, and keep crunching those numbers, guys.